Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to use Swipe Keyboard on your Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to open any texting app, so I will click on the digital crown and go to the iMessage. Here I already got a chat, so I'll just click on the bar so I can text. So this is how the Swipe Keyboard looks. If you have anything other and you would like to switch to the Swipe Keyboard, click on this icon at the right bottom corner. And here choose the icon with a finger on it. So to text with the help of Swipe Keyboard, we would need to just draw the letters. Let's try it. So I'll type in A, B, C. And as you can see, yes, my drawings were turned into actual letters. We can also draw numbers. This is how it looks, and now let's talk about the other buttons that you can see here. So we have backspace, which is deleting the last letter that you have written. We have space, which is just space, and also we can add here an emojis. Now we can click send. And this is it. Now you know how to use Swipe Keyboard on your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching.